I was very curious to ask you this, since I've noticed a lot of our directors or producers, they always copy an English movie and they make a similar movie in Hindi. Why does it happen? Why can't they just, create something original? What's your take on that?
See, I made all the movie on my own, on real
Exactly,
issues. I never copied anybody.
You're the right person to ask.
Yeah, I have not copied anybody. In
So
fact, people have
why?
copied my movies.
Why did they do that?
I'll tell you why. The thing is what? Our industry basically runs on this tried and tested formula thing, okay? And now, not only copy of English, they copy Tamil cinema, Telugu cinema, everything they copy. उनको क्या होता है कि अभी if I tell a story to a hero, तो from the inception you are telling him and he has nothing to do with that world, तो he'll understand, अच्छा ये world है, ऐसा character है, तो he'll understand. But if I go and say, sir ये DVD है, ये चलाओ, ये रोल आप कर रहे हो, तो वो देखता है, तो वो अपने आप को इमेजिन करने लगता है तुरंत. अरे हाँ यार, अच्छा खास करके वो पिक्चर का सक्सेसफुल हो तो उसको और अच्छा लगता है, बिकॉज दैट्स अ बोनस पॉइंट. उसको लगता है हाँ यार सक्सेसफुल फॉर्मूला है ना, कि हाँ यार ठीक है ऐसा है, अच्छा ये ऐसा एंट्री करेगा, इसको हम ये चेंज कर देंगे, इसको थोड़ा ये कर देंगे, ऐसा कर देंगे, ये मोटा मोटा ये पिक्चर है. सो द होल प्रोसेस ऑफ राइटिंग एंड हीरो इज रेडी टू गिव द डेट्स बिकॉज इज सक्सेसफुल. हीरो फील के अभी को और दूसरा बना लेगा, इसको कॉपी करेगा तो हम ही शुरू करते इसको. सो देयर लॉट्स ऑफ कंपार्टमेंट्स टू इट विच दे फील कि यार ये अच्छा है यार, बना लेते पिक्चर तो शुरू कर लेते हैं. एंड हीरो को लगता है कि यार ये हीरो हूँ मैं, ऐसा मैं अपना इसमें ये करूँगा, मैं थोड़ा कैरेक्टर ऐड करूँगा, ये करूँगा. एंड बनी हुई रेडी जो होता है वो उनको अच्छा लगता है.
लेकिन रिस्क ज़्यादा होता है ना when you are doing a movie like that.
नहीं, रिस्क उनको उल्टा रिस्क कम लगता है. उनको लगता है अगर ये पिक्चर, अगर मैं किसी आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एग्जांपल कि ये इंग्लिश पिक्चर तमिल में भी चली है, तेलुगु में भी चली है, मलयालम में भी चली है, अभी हमको यहाँ बनानी है, तो अगर उसको लगता है यार 3 अलग अलग लैंग्वेज में चल चुकी है तो पब्लिक का सेंटिमेंट जुड़ा है पिक्चर से, इट कैन नॉट गो रॉन्ग इन हिंदी, तो मैं बनाता हूँ. सो पीपल फॉल इन द ट्रैप. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि ऑल रीमेक्स आर हिट, लेट इट मेक इट क्लियर. लेकिन पीपल फील कि एटलीस्ट वी हैव अ सेफ जोन, कि हम सेफ जोन में तो है कम से कम यार, एक अच्छी ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड पिक्चर है तो हम बनाते बोल के. दैट इज द रीजन पीपल गेट इनटू. आपको डीवीडी लगा दे देते. अच्छा हीरो को क्या होता है, ऑल द एक्टर्स का प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, दे वांट टू सी देमसेल्फ. अगर मैं बोलूँगा एक लड़का ऐसे आ रहा है सर, वो शायद कनेक्ट ही नहीं कर पाएगा. वो शायद ऐसी बहुत सी ऐसी पिक्चर होती है, हम जाके एक्टर को नरेट करते 10 जगह नरेट करते, उसको समझ में नहीं आती यार क्या पिक्चर. लेकिन उसी के पास आप साउथ के रीमेक लेके जाओ, एक इंग्लिश पिक्चर देखा, बोलेगा अरे हाँ यार ये कैरेक्टर मैं करता हूँ, ये अच्छा है, बिकॉज ही स्टार्टेड इमेजिनिंग हिमसेल्फ ऑन द फर्स्ट फ्रेम.
That's quite interesting.
Wow, that's
yeah, that is the fact of life. And the people think इसको अब चेंज करेंगे, ये करेंगे, बजट करेंगे, हीरोइन को भी दिखाना, हीरोइन को भी वो डीवीडी भेज दिया, ये देख लो आप, राइटर को भेज दिया एक डीवीडी कि देखो ये फिल्म बना रहे हैं, मोटा मोटा खत्म.
wow, too good. So what is your regular describe your day at work?
Well, when I'm not shooting, so I'm giving lectures. So no, I basically I watch a lot of movies. It is very necessary to watch a lot of movies, especially filmmakers who want to be filmmakers or want to be into this glamorous line. I read a lot. It's very necessary. Like I said, I never went to school, but I'm quite a good reader. I read a lot, avid reader of books. So that's how my thoda bahut English I speak good.
Amazing.
You came out as a brilliant student.
Yeah.
So your inspiration comes from reading books, from watching foreign films.
Yeah, my inspiration comes from anywhere. Like it's for me meeting people, interacting people. I'm a very fun person. I'm a very extrovert person.
Yes.
I'm a person who's like, I'm chilled out person.
Yes.
People who knows me from 25, 30 years say, Madhuri, you're not, you're the same person, you've changed a lot. Nothing like that. Because the problem is what? Failure or success, I don't take myself so seriously. I feel it's a flow. You just flow with the mainstream of it.
Right.
And let that flow take you anywhere. Because I know people, the minute you get success, then you start keeping flunkies, Man Friday around you. I am not into that thing. When you all know me from so many years, I'm the same. I'm basically, we have junks on the set also. Ye khao, chakli khao, wo khao, all the things we used to eat on the
Absolutely.
set. So, that is the life. The minute you come into, because the film industry is a very superficial place. Okay, it's a very superficial place. So यहाँ every day equation changes यहाँ पे, every day relation changes also. So where so I don't connect myself so much with the industry. So that's why I have my own life. I love to travel. I travel abroad every 2-3 months. I'll be travel. I love airports, and that's India also. I travel in India also. Read. And I meet people a lot. Very necessary to meet people, interact with them. For me, it is not like that. If I'm in Mumbai, this is if a car is not there, I won't say send me a car. I'll just take an auto and I sit in the auto and go to my office.
So, sir, you're saying don't get carried away by your fame and fortune. Still be grounded, still find inspiration from the small things of life, travel, meet people, watch movies, read books. Am I correct? Is that what you're saying?
Because that is very essential, because ultimately that will only stand. Any person in any field, it can be political, it can be in film industry, it can be entrepreneur, business, like we always say, Newton law, thing goes up has to come down.
Yes.
Okay, so there will be time come where everything will be gone, nothing will be stable. We human beings are also temporary, we are not permanent. So let's accept the fact about it. So the ground reality is that. So that's the reason I keep myself that you have to maintain your sanity. कि भाई ये लेवल तक इतना होना चाहिए, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली आपके घुमा फिरा के आपके जो 4 दोस्त थे या आपके फैमिली फ्रेंड्स है वही आपके लिए आते हैं. ओवरनाइट इक्वेशन चेंजेस ओवर ईयर, एंड खास करके इंडस्ट्री इज सच अ लाइन ना, बिकॉज इट इज ऐसा कैसे सुपरफिशियल. योर सक्सेस एंड योर फेलियर्स will navigate your friendship with people.
Absolutely.
You've seen in the fashion world also.
It is true.
So it is
true.
very necessary the whole equation. Like always I say in the page 3 में song of Lata Mangeshkar, कितने अजीब रिश्ते हैं यहाँ पे. So it's just you
That's
meet
how it
people
is.
and you go meet in life and people move on.
So what's next on your plate? What should we expect to see on the big screen from you?
Well, now I made so many movies, 13 movies from like Chandni Bar to Indu Sarkar. Controversy also happened. People wanted to hit me. People wanted to blacken my face also.
Fashion.
A fashion time also, you know how much controversy happened.
Yes.
So all the movies have been controversial. So now I want to make a Hindi cinema. Again, obviously made Hindi. It's title called Inspector Galib, like you mentioned.
Yes.
Good researcher.
Thanks.
So it's an action film. It's on Sand Mafia. It is a backdrop of Sand Mafia, and it's based in North India somewhere. So it's a very interesting, quirky film about, and this will be a male-oriented film. It's an action film, completely like a Born Identity or John Wick type, you know, completely those zones. It's very unlike Madhur Bhandarkar cinema.
Yeah.
But I want to make this, because cinema has changed, because I want to get that whole zone of it, you know, a quirky action film about this cop who is little flamboyant also, quirky also, witty also, romantic also. So it's a very interesting character, so which I've developed it, and I hope I get a very good actor for it.
I'll be looking forward to seeing who's going to be playing the
Inspector
role.
Galib, absolutely.
It's sounding really interesting. I'm looking forward to watching the film now. Straight.
Thank
Jump.
you
Have
so
you
much.
have
Thank
you
you.
selected who, like, do you have someone in mind yet?
My dream cast definitely will be Shah Rukh.
Oh, nice.
And I feel कि Shah Rukh, I personally feel, let's see, I'll start from then let's see if I get the dream cast. This is not confirmed.
It's a
I'm just
dream
saying
coming
it.
true, maybe.
My dream cast, because I feel कि first of all he has not done a cop film up till now. He's never played a cop in a film, and I think would people love to see him in a khaki dress.
Wouldn't you all?
I think it'll work.
Yeah. We wish you all the best. I think it's going to be spectacular. He's always been like this, ladies and gentlemen. He's not changed one bit. He's so down to earth, so real, so bindas. And thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Priya.
But I'm quite sure that you all have some questions for him.
I have one question.
Oh, you
Yes.
do? Go for
Candice.
it, Candy.
So since we are here in Jaipur for the Fashion Design Council of Rajasthan, I want to know what's your take on it, because they have made this initiative of getting all such amazing talent to speak and be interactive with the crowd, which never happens anywhere. What's your take on this?
I think it's a great initiative and a great platform to have. I was looking for the whole brochure the other day, and I was very impressed with the kind of people have attached to this platform. And I like to thank the owners who has done a fabulous job to get these people together, and especially the youth, because they are the future. Today, all are the people who are there, and it is very necessary to come under one roof, to interact with, to talk about different subjects, different ideas, and give their point of view in all different fields. So more power to you, sir. And I'm really, we should give a round of applause. And don't forget to call me.
All right, so Candy, can we open the...
Yes, now we can actually start.
Yes.
There are a lot of fans now.
Do you need a mic? You have a loud voice. Okay, great.
It's very difficult to make because all my babies only to make. I think all are different cinema. One deals with the bar, one deals in the Bollywood, one deals in the fashion industry. People have often always told me, Madhur, you should make movie now or part 2 of it. I have not decided, but I think all film zones are very different, completely different for me. Heroine definitely was the one film which Kareena Kapoor did a fab job, brilliant job. And in fact, people got upset with me also over there because film industry people thought I have taken on them only in being the film fraternity. But I had made a statement about it because I took other sphere of field also, like traffic signal or a jail or a Chandni bar or corporate world. So I have to be, my integrity has to be the same when I deal with my own fraternity also. So I didn't compromise and I'm happy with making the film about it. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
I just need to ask that as you said, कि 3 साल में 4 साल में डिसाइड कर लेना चाहिए कि this है, but like actor like Nawazuddin Siddiqui, they have struggled a lot. So how is it we can say कि कुछ साल के बाद option change करना चाहिए या फिर?
See, I'll tell you one thing. Good question you asked me. In my case, I came from very poor family. Like like I said, in a day, in the night, I don't know I will get money to eat my food also in those circumstances. And my sister used to work in Muscat, and my friend of mine was to work in Dubai. So they used to tell me, come there. But what do? I went to Dubai also to work in a boutique. But there also I found it, no, ये मैं काम नहीं कर सकता. And I came back to Mumbai, okay? But now, somebody, in those days, computers आता चलाने के लिए तो बहुत बड़ी बात होती थी. People who used to know. मैं वो भी नहीं आता था. Till today I don't know, by the way. बड़ी मुश्किल से iPad सीखा हूँ मैं. तो I had no option in my life. If my father even had a pan shop, I'm being honest with you, brutally honest, I would go and sit in a pan shop instead of struggling over there. For me, I had no option in my life left. Okay, I have to be here completely. I may be a sport boy also, a manager also, whatever it is, because I didn't have any technical skill. I didn't have father's money to do something, or didn't have any capital to venture into something. So I had no option to be there. Now, if some people have option, their father's business or something, or education, they can get job over there. Then it's for them. For me, nobody would keep me as a peon also, because I was not matric also. So that is the difference between when you say like Nawazuddin, he didn't have option because he also came from very humble background. He doesn't have anything to it. So he struggled, he did role small. Again, for acting, still there would be a better thing about it. He did tidbits role, 1 scene, 2 scenes, 3 scenes, 4 scenes, and where. But there would be thousands of Madhur Bhandarkar, there would be thousands of Nawazuddin who have done the same way, but they couldn't make it in the film industry. Now, since we are successful, you people see, ये मधुर कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गया तो वीडियो कैसेट बेचता था एक ज़माने में यार, हमारे घर में आता था कैसेट देने के लिए. People do tell me, but उससे बहुत rare होता है. That's rarest of rare case. But if you have a technical skill, if you have graduated, and if you have some father's business or legacy to it, then you have to take a call. You can still hang around, but I said you can't go completely because then frustration props up to you. You feel कि my God, what happened? Sometimes you feel यार कल मेरी ये रूममेट थी, वो कल वो स्टार बन गई, मैं नहीं बनी. आपको वो चीज़ आता है तो बहुत सी चीज़ it's a very depressing हो जाता है आपको लाइफ में. It's very depressing. I'll tell you one very good incident, since you all are asking me, Candice, listen to this. I was coming from a Delhi flight one day, and I was sitting and one businessman met me, and I didn't know him. He said, "You are Madhur Bhandarkar." मैंने yes. तो I thought को fan होगा मेरा. Fan तो था ही. तो you make good movies. तो मैंने thank you sir. तो मैंने are you from India? He said no, I am from US. So he asked me कि Madhur, I met you. I want to say thanks to you. So I said, thanks to me for what? Have you met before? Bolta, no, I have never met you before. I don't come. I came from some business visit over here. So I said, why you want to say thanks to me? He said, 3 years back, my 17 years old daughter, she called me one day and she said, Father, I want to go to Mumbai to become an actress. It's a fact. And I want to go to become an actress, and she clicked some pictures from the local over there in Chicago, I think so. And she said कि मेरे को जाना है, मेरे को हीरोइन बनना है. तो बोलता है वो 17-18 साल की थी और she had not seen your movies. I had seen your movies. So बोलता I from the Indian market I went and took fashion and heroine 2 DVDs and I gave her. I said बेटा ये दोनों picture तू देख ले. And she saw the film, both the film, and she changed her mind after watching the movie. Can you imagine? So he said that is the reason I want to say thanks to you. Okay, how these movies can influence you. She said, my God, this world is completely different. So ये भी चक्कर है. उसके 2 पहलू है. कुछ लोग इंस्पायर भी होके आते. After fashion, lot of people wanted to become model. Didn't Candice? Every second girl wants to become a model. मॉडल बनना है मेरे को, मॉडल बनना है मेरे को, ही मॉडल बनना है मेरे को, प्रियंका चोपड़ा बनना है. लेकिन ये दोधारी तलवार है. You have to see from the both the point of views. So sometimes do people get inspired also? People get inspired also कि भाई मेरे को नहीं जाना है वर्ल्ड में. तो उसका फादर बोलता है I'm happy कि I showed her the movie and she said कि my God, this is completely different world of glamour. I don't want to go and struggle in Mumbai, and she continued with her studies.
Brilliant. Wow.
Wow, that was quite an effect.
Yeah, absolutely.
Anyone else?
There,
Yes,
this
sir.
one standing there.
मैंने अभी कहा भविष्य में जो मेरी पिक्चर आ रही है वो अपना इंस्पेक्टर गालिब है. वो दर्शाएगी हमारे जो खनन माफिया जो है, सैंड माफिया की बात हम करते हैं उसके ऊपर दिखाएंगे कि क्या होता है, किस तरह से एक बहुत बड़ा इसका माफिया है, किस तरह से जो रेत का बिजनेस होता है कितना बड़ा है. एक्शन ओरिएंटेड सिनेमा है. पहली बार मैंने कोशिश की है, तो बस मैं वही चाहूँगा जितना स्नेह प्रेम आपने मेरी बाकी पिक्चरों को दिया आप इतना ही इसी को ही दे, और इस पिक्चर को देखे जल्द शुरू होने वाली है. थैंक यू.
All right. Last row.
There's one right behind.
Sir, I want to know what you want to say to all those students who are already pursuing their graduation in these type of courses. They are away from their
What advice do you have for students who are pursuing to get into filmmaking or into the world of cinema? Am I right? Yes.
Definitely, if you are pursuing and you're continuing, you should obviously you should not sit at home. Like I said, you can't do a course and sit out in the house. Na? When you do technical skill, you have to be, because you're learning the skill. Anything, it can be acting, photography, direction, editing, anything. When you want to do all these things and then you want to maybe an editor or filmmaker, for that is the reason you have to come to Mumbai. People who are there, because the Bollywood is in Mumbai, where you do Hindi cinema, if you're talking. Until either some people want to do in the state, like South cinema has a big state movies itself, Tamil cinema, Telugu cinema, Malayalam cinema, Mumbai Marathi cinema is also growing. So obviously one should come and pursue it, and one should strive for it, one should struggle for it to be there and to be successful. Definitely, you should not just do, I'll be a mad person if I do a course of this and I leave something and I go to abroad, until either something पेरेंट्स का बिजनेस है और बैठना ही है जाके गद्दी पे, तो बात अलग है.
जी. Last question. Gentleman, ma'am.
हाँ? Like everybody, we all grown up watching Amit Ji's movie and big fan of his. Like, I don't know, man, he's such a versatile. I sometimes imagine what role we should give, because he has done all kind of roles, but still every movie he comes with something new dimension and new dynamism where he comes. So I don't know because I've not imagined him something, but if the character which I feel this is a role I want to portray with Mr. Bachchan, that will be out of box, definitely something. Surely, he's obviously one of my favorite actor and he's in my wish list. I don't know. Like I said, sometimes I never plan like that. I'm a very prompt person in my life. You know, if I feel that this is the subject I want to make, I want to make. That way it is. Thank you. Thank you.
That's
Thank you.
brilliant.
All right, thank you
Thank
so
you
much,
so
sir,
much.
for gracing us. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Madhav Bhandara. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.